Okay, arthritis, chronic joints. I call it chronic joints. Why would it occur? Chronic acidosis. Your body is so acidic, it's sucking calcium from tissue. But at the same time, your parathyroid gland, the gland that makes use of calcium, is not replacing that calcium. So you have a deficit. And this will start to affect your bone, joints, etc. So let's get to the root cause. Let's reverse. Why would this happen? Because the food you've been eating, the environment you're in, the toxins, the pesticides have turned the body more to the acidic side, and the joints are suffering for this. So you have systemic acidosis. To reverse it, we need to jump on an alkaline diet. Therefore, my preference would be a 20 to 30-day dry grape only diet. And I would use at least 2 different kidney formulas, a kidney tea, an adrenal gland tincture, bowel strength tincture, endocrine tincture to work on my parathyroid gland, and lymphatic herbs, and give it time. That's it. You will see firsthand that as the acids leave your body through your kidneys, your arthritis tends to get less and less and less, okay? Because the arthritis is just a name. It's a name given to chronic acidosis. The body doesn't know what arthritis is, okay? All it knows is it's inflamed. You are inflamed, basically. When I use the word inflamed, I like to think of like you're literally on fire inside, and the body you have to put the fire out. And I consider the fruits and their alkaline nature to be the little firemen that put out the fire.